Let's cut the crap. Most side hustles you see online are saturated garbage, but these 6 are still untapped gold mines that can realistically make you $1,000 per day. I've tested them all and I've seen the results firsthand. Now I want to issue a quick warning. None of this is a get-rich-quick scheme. If you don't put in the work, you don't get any results. It's that simple. The first untapped side hustle you need to know about is running an AI automation agency. Now this is absolutely fire right now. Lots of small business owners are desperate to implement AI tools but have no clue where to even start. They're literally throwing money at anyone who can help them navigate this technological revolution. Here's what you do. You learn the basics of tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Zapier, and Make.com. Nothing fancy, just enough to understand how they work and how they can be integrated into business operations. Then you approach local businesses, restaurants, law firms, real estate agencies, and offer to set up AI systems that save them time and money. Think about chatbots for their websites that handle common customer questions 24/7, or automated email responses that ensure no lead falls through the cracks. AI-generated content for their blogs that keeps their SEO fresh without requiring a dedicated writer, or workflow automations that eliminate hours of tedious manual data entry. The best part is you don't need to be a tech genius to sell this offer. You just need to know slightly more than they do, which isn't hard since most business owners are clueless about AI, especially the local kind of businesses that are run by older people. And in fact, they're overwhelmed by all the options and just want someone to simplify it for them. That is where you come in. I have a friend who started doing this 6 months ago with zero coding knowledge. He now has 7 clients, paying him between $1,000 and $3,000 per month each on retainer. That's over $15,000 a month, and he works maybe 20 hours a week. The rest of the time, the AI systems are doing the heavy lifting. Now, unfortunately, there are some things we're not allowed to share on YouTube, which is why to help you, I've recorded a free training to show you how I went from zero to over $1,200 a day with 95% profit margins. The link is in the description, and I highly suggest you check it out when you're done with this video. You can also book a free call with me or my team, and together, we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to 5 to 10K per month as quickly as possible. But be quick, because we literally get hundreds of applications per month, so we don't have enough spots for everyone. The second side hustle that's criminally underrated is running a faceless YouTube channel focused on digital products. This isn't your typical YouTube grind where you need to show your face and personality. You don't have to worry about camera shyness, you don't need expensive equipment or even a personal brand. Instead, you use AI to generate videos on trending topics in niches like health, finance, or self-improvement. You use AI tools for everything. The script writing with ChatGPT, the voiceovers with natural-sounding AI voices like 11 Labs, even the video editing with automated tools. Nowadays, there are platforms that can create entire videos for you with minimal input, like synthesizing stock footage, creating animations, and adding captions automatically. The real money isn't even in the AdSense revenue, though that can be substantial with enough views, but you'd need to get millions of views for that. The real money is in selling digital products to your audience. Think about AI-generated courses, Notion templates, productivity tools, specialized spreadsheets, or planning systems. One faceless channel I follow makes over $60,000 a month selling a $7 Notion template. That's insane leverage when you're selling thousands of copies with zero marginal cost. The barrier to entry is practically zero, and you can scale this to multiple channels once you have the system down. Just pick different niches for each channel, and you've got yourself multiple income streams. The key is to provide genuine value in your content so viewers trust your digital products enough to purchase them. Moving on to number 3, drone photography and mapping services. This might sound old school compared to AI stuff, but believe me, the demand for high quality drone services is exploding in 2025 as more industries discover practical applications. Real estate agents need aerial shots to sell properties in an increasingly competitive market. Construction companies need progress tracking without sending personnel to dangerous heights. Farmers need crop analysis to optimize yields and reduce waste. Event planners need cool overhead footage to make their production stand out. Environmental researchers need landscape mapping for conservation efforts. The startup cost is around $1,000 for a decent drone, plus whatever it costs to get your FAA license if you're in the States, typically a few $100s and some study time. But once you're set up, you can easily charge $500 to $2,000 per project, depending on the complexity and client needs. What's great about this hat also is that it gets you outdoors and you're creating something tangible that clients immediately value. Plus, there's a technical barrier that keeps competition relatively low. Most people aren't willing to learn proper drone piloting and photography skill, not to mention the regulations and safe operation practices. I know a guy who specializes just in golf course mapping for country clubs. He creates detailed 3D models and flyover videos they use for their website and marketing. He charges $4,000 per course and is booked solid 3 months in advance. Find your niche and dominate it. The fourth untapped side hustle might surprise you because it's digital billboards with e-link displays. This opportunity combines physical advertising space with digital flexibility. Here's the concept. You buy small, portable e-link billboards. They're energy efficient and can display ads without the power requirements or brightness of LED screens. You place them in high traffic areas like popular cafes, gyms, or local businesses. Then, you sell advertising space to other local businesses who want to reach those specific demographics. What's crazy is that traditional billboard advertising is insanely expensive, but these small digital versions are affordable for even the smallest local business. A hair salon, boutique, or local service provider can actually afford your rates. You can charge around $500 per month per billboard slot, and each billboard can rotate between multiple ads, multiplying your revenue per device. The best part is that once they're set up, there's almost no maintenance. The e-ink technology uses minimal power, so many can run on small solar panels or batteries that last for months. You can update the ads remotely through Wi-Fi connections. It's about as passive as income gets in 2025. You can start with 3 billboards in busy coffee shops around your city. Each one generates about $1,500 monthly with 3 advertising slots per billboard. That's $4,500 monthly for something that takes maybe 2 hours a week to manage after the initial setup and client acquisition. Moving on to side hustle number 5, subscription-based AI prompts and templates. This might sound weird if you're not deep in the world of AI, but people are making serious money selling pre-made prompts for AI tools. It's essentially monetizing your expertise in communicating with artificial intelligence. Think about it. Everyone's using tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, DeepSeek AI, or other AI platforms now. But most people have no idea how to write effective prompts to get the results they want. They waste time with trial and error or get subpar outputs. That is where you come in. You create bundles of proven, tested prompts for specific niches. Maybe it's prompts for real estate agents to generate perfect property listings, or prompts for entrepreneurs to create marketing copy, or prompts for students to help with essay writing, or prompts for creative professionals to generate ideas and overcome creative blocks. You can sell these as one-time purchases through platforms like Gumroad or Shopify for $10 to $100 per bundle, or better yet, create a subscription model where people pay $15 to $50 monthly for access to your constantly updated prompt library. As AI tools evolve, so do your prompts, giving subscribers a reason to stay month after month. The margins are insane because you're essentially selling text files. The product delivery is automated, the fulfillment costs are zero, and you can reach a global audience instantly. One creator I follow makes over $30,000 a month from a $50 prompt bundle for fiction writers. The key is specialization and actually testing your prompt to ensure they work well and deliver consistent results. Now, unfortunately, there are some things we're not allowed to share on YouTube, which is why to help you, I've recorded a free training to show you how I went from zero to over $1,200 a day with 95% profit margins. The link is in the description and I highly suggest you check it out when you're done with this video. You can also book a free call with me or my team, and together we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to 5 to 10K per month as quickly as possible. But be quick, because we literally get hundreds of applications per month, so we don't have enough spots for everyone. Now, moving on to the 6th side hustle, becoming a personal AI assistant for busy professionals. This is perhaps the most lucrative of all these side hustles if you're willing to put in a bit more work up front to build relationships with high-value customers. Executives, entrepreneurs, and other busy professionals know they should be using AI tools to save time, but they don't have the bandwidth to learn them. Meanwhile, they're paying $50 to $100 per hour for virtual assistants to do tasks that AI could handle. So don't pay premium rates for someone who can bridge this gap and handle it all for them. You position yourself as their personal AI assistant. You manage tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and others to accommodate their emails, content creation, data entry, research, and more. You might even create custom GPTs specifically tailored to their business needs. Essentially, you're the human interface between them and the world of AI productivity. The pay is ridiculous because you're saving them both money and their most precious resource, time. We're talking retainers of $1,000 to $5,000 monthly per client. And once you set up their systems, the ongoing work is minimal. You're mostly monitoring, tweaking, and occasionally implementing new solutions as needs arise. One woman in my network does this exclusively for real estate investors. She handles all their AI needs, from generating property analysis reports to creating marketing materials for new listings. She has 6 customers paying her an average of $3,000 monthly each. That's $18,000 per month, and she works about 25 hours a week. The rest is handled by the AI systems she's put in place. So there you have it, 6 legitimately untapped side hustles that can make you $1,000 or more per day in 2025. These aren't theoretical. They're working right now for real people who had the foresight to jump on these opportunities early. The common thread of all of these side hustles is that they leverage either new technology or existing technology in new ways. They all solve real problems for specific groups of people who are willing to pay for solutions. And none of them require special degrees or certifications to get started, just a willingness to learn and adapt. Pick a side hustle that resonates with your interests and skills. Start small, learn as you go, and scale up once you've proven the concept works. 1 year from now, you could be making more from your side hustle than from your full-time job. Many of my students have already taken this path to financial freedom because the opportunity is there. The market gaps exist. The technology is accessible. The question is, will you take action while these are still untapped, or will you be watching from the sidelines when they become the next big thing? As always, the choice is yours.